Hey guys, welcome back to Wages in Israel. Tonight, on our cooling stretches, we are focusing on the Utkatasana and Prasarita, okay? As well as we'll be looking a little bit at Malasana and the science behind the ancient squat. And then we just try to wallow into it and then do binds that come from the squat, okay? So I'll lead you through to it. Let us get into our first flow and then we'll start in Utkatasana, okay? Utkatasana Prasarita. Okay. Now this is Tadasana, or our mountain pose, okay? Let us get into our mountain pose. Then we get into our Utkatasana, okay? For chair pose. Tadasana. Utkatasana. Let's get comfortable in our seated pose. This invisible chair. We sit there and just take a little bit moment. It's very cooling for our lower back and instructing for the joints as well, okay? We move it up to the Utkatasana. Utkatasana and then Dasana. Utkatasana. Malasana. Okay? One last time. Utkatasana and then Dasana. So let's try to be comfortable in our Prasarita. We're moving to Prasarita, okay? Just get comfortable here. Try to swing side to side on our knees, making sure our knees are very much nice and strong. They can support us here. And then we get straight into Prasarita. Okay? Now make sure that our lower back is very much involved. So quadriceps open. And there's a little muscle here called the psoas muscle. We want to be gentle to it. The tighter the psoas is, the tighter this will feel, okay? And we'll pinch a little. Good. Prasarita. Prasarita. Good. Stay comfortable here. You Prasarita. It's sort of the power couple of yoga. Utkatasana chair pose and Prasarita, okay? Good. Sit comfortable here with the expanding of the hips, the inner thighs opening up all the way to our quadriceps. As we're moving into Malasana next and doing the binds, okay? Good. We're very much comfortable here. Nothing must rest on your elbows, okay? You must be flexed and open. Okay. Nice and open. Good. Open up, stretch, stretch. Stretch some more. Might as well lift up the arms. Okay. Nice and comfy. Good. Nothing must be in the neck, okay? Twisting. Open up some more. In Prasarita, take it all in. Grounding, flexibility, mobility, all along the lower back. Good. Now we're moving into Prasarita in Malasana. Try to get comfortable in this yoga squat. Good. This is what it looks like from the front. Okay. Opening up the hips some more. Good. This is our first bind, okay? In Malasana. Now make sure you see the heels trying to lift up. You just ground it a little bit. Good. To the other side. Good. Now we might, if it's available, be able to stand or to raise on up. Good. In this case, we take our bind to the other side, opposing side. Good. Take it to the other side. making sure our knees are very much strong, they're able to support us here, okay? Good. Now come on down into our little headstand. Just make sure we're comfortable here. And we're ready for our headstand. Oh no. Wardrobe malfunction. Okay. That one should feel very good after Malasana, okay? Good. Take it in. Open up the chest area. Good. Let the lower back. Now with time, we'll get onto the ground, but there's no rush for now. We'll do it step by step. Okay, good. To come down. Slowly, okay? Not so fast. Seated, forward bending, extending pose. If it's available, come down, give it a little tap and a twirl, okay? Good. Second side. To the extent that it's available. Good. Very cooling for the lower back. Good. We might try to stay longer in here. Actually, so quick with it. Good. To come out. Or if you might be familiar, we might get into wheel straight from here. Let's try, okay? And see if we can maneuver our balance. No, not so good. Okay, let's go. Into wheel straight. Into wheel put. Walk in. Good. And then come out. Okay. Good. Come out. Just try to get a little pigeon in. Reverse pigeon. Which you did recline pigeon. And then now I'm doing the actual pigeon pose, okay? Good. The opposite side. Good, I just get into our pigeon. Nice and comfy here. 2. Good. Nice cooling effect for the lower back. Take it in. A little breather here. Good. Get deeper into the hips from here. Nice and easy. The second side. Oh, this feels tight on this side. You can feel the relaxation going deeper here. Just try to anchor it, okay, and center in. Good. very safe from our lower back. Good. Stay comfy here. Then we meet in our final seated, and just take a final moment here to just center in, okay? Now we released our lower back already with a nice back stretch. Just doing one again. Making sure that there's no pressure or strain in the lower back. Thank you so much for taking time out to stretching with me tonight, and I'll see you tomorrow on your mat. Take a little time on your mat, explore, find space. There's no right or wrong position as long as you're present and exploring the moment. Your lower back and your back and the best muscle, the upper chest will be very much happy. Thank you, and I will be happy to see you as well. We'll see you next time on the mat. Thank you for joining us.